Hi guys, my name is Kiyuki. Welcome to our workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful 3-in-1 Mother's Day gift with the xTool S1 and the brand new xTool screen printer. Screen printing has never been so fast and easy. Everyone can become a screen printing artist with xTool S1 and screen printer. Are you ready? For this project, I will be using xTool Creative Space 2.0. It comes with a fresh UI and new and amazing features. It is now easier than ever to create your own and unique art with xTool Creative Space. Of course, you can also download and use design files. Visit projects.xtool.com for inspiration, how-tos, and free Creative Space design files. For my own design, I choose a bold vintage font and different font sizes for the perfect retro look. To complete the design, add some illustrations. This Mother's Day gift is about angels. To add some wings to this design, I'm going to use one of xTool Creative Space's amazing features, the trace function. One of the highlights in xTool Creative Space 2.0 is the vector node editing. With node editing, it is so easy to adjust your design to perfection. Once the design is ready, it is time to prepare the new xTool Easy Stretch frame. The frame is easy to assemble, it just takes a few seconds. Place the pre-coated screen in the xTool Easy Stretch frame. Make sure to bend those slashes, this will help to remove the cardboard. To stretch the screen, use the tensioning strips. Don't forget to remove the cardboard. Place the Easy Stretch frame in the S1 and send the design file to start the engraving process. Make sure that your design is mirrored. Another new feature of the xTool Creative Space 2.0 is the improved estimated time in the lower left corner. These are some of the materials that I will be using for this project: a bag, a silicone mat, a squeegee, an ink spatula, ink, cardstock, a wet cloth. Place a cardstock in between your fabric layers to prevent the ink from causing stains. Add ink to the screen. Place one hand between the frame and your material. Use a squeegee to flood the screen with ink. Now use both hands with the squeegee to press the ink through the mesh. If you're doing multiple colors with just one screen, clean the screen in between with a wet cloth. xTool screen printing ink can easily be mixed to obtain further brilliant colors. The xTool screen printer can be used with fabric, paper and cardstock, and many other materials with an even surface. The possibilities are endless. If you are looking to create unique and special gifts for your mother, your friends, or for the customers of your small business, the xTool S1 and xTool screen printer are the perfect choice. Create multiple gifts with just one screen and make every holiday a special one. Thank you for joining us in the workshop today. If you would like to create this Mother's Day gift with your xTool S1 and the xTool screen printer, visit projects.xtool.com, where you can download the free file. Happy crafting!